ஜெய் ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி. அனைவருக்கும் இனிய காலை வணக்கம். வாய்ஸ் கேக்குதுங்களா?
கேக்குதுக்கா.
ஓகே. ஜெய் ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி. நாம் அமைதியாக நமக்குள் ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜியை வரவழைப்போம். நம் இதயத்தில் அன்னையிடம் பிரார்த்தனை செய்வோம். ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி, தயவு செய்து எங்கள் இதயத்தை தூய்மைப்படுத்தி தங்களுடைய தெய்வீக அன்பினை எங்கள் இதயம் முழுவதும் பரவ செய்யுங்கள். ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி, நாங்கள் தங்களுடைய கருவிகளாக இருப்பதற்கு எங்களுக்கு அருள் புரியுங்கள் தாயே. எங்கள் எண்ணம், மனம், சிந்தனை எப்பொழுதுமே தங்களுடைய திரு கமல பாதங்களிலே நிலைத்திருப்பதற்கும் எங்களுக்கு அருள் புரியுங்கள் அன்னை. மெதுவாக ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி அவர்களை வணங்கிவிட்டு நாம் குண்டலினியை உயர்த்தி பந்தன் போட்டுக்கொள்வோம். இரண்டு உள்ளங்கைகளை கவனத்தை வைத்துக் கொள்ளலாம். கவனத்தை மெதுவாக நமது சஹஸ்ரார சக்கரத்திற்கு கொண்டு செல்லலாம். நமது சஹஸ்ரார சக்கரத்தில் ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜியின் திரு கமல பாதங்களை நாம் அங்கு உணரலாம். நமது இதய சக்கரம்தான் நமது சஹஸ்ரார சக்கரத்திலும் பக்கவாட்டில் இருக்கின்றது. கவனம் எப்பொழுதுமே நமது சஹஸ்ரார சக்கரத்திலேயே வைத்துக் கொள்ளலாம். மூன்று மகா மந்திரங்களை இப்பொழுது கூறுவோம். ஓம் த்வமேவ சாக்ஷாத் ஸ்ரீ மகாலக்ஷ்மி மகாசரஸ்வதி மகாகாளி திரிகுணாத்மிகா குண்டலினி சாக்ஷாத் ஸ்ரீ ஆதிசக்தி மாதாஜி ஸ்ரீ நிர்மலா தேவியை நமோ நமः. ஓம் त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री कल्की साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः. ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री कल्की साक्षात् श्री सहस्रार स्वामिनी मोक्ष प्रदायनी माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः. ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி தங்களுடைய ஸ்ரீ கணேச தத்துவத்தை எங்கள் எல்லா சக்கரங்களிலும் நிலைநிறுத்துங்கள். ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி, எங்கள் மூலாதார சக்கரத்தில் ஸ்ரீ கணேசரின் முழு அருளும் எங்களுக்கு கிடைக்க செய்யுங்கள். நாங்கள் ஸ்ரீ கணேசரை போல் முழு சரணாகதியோடும் முழு அர்ப்பணிப்போடும் இருப்பதற்கு எங்களுக்கு அருள் புரியுங்கள். ஸ்ரீ கணேஷா, எங்கள் ஆன்மீக வளர்ச்சிக்கு உள்ள எல்லா தடைகளை நீக்கி விடுங்கள். ஸ்ரீ கணேச மந்திரத்தை கூறுவோம். ஓம் त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री गणेशा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः. மெதுவாக 2 உள்ளங்கைகளை பூமியின் மீது வைத்துக் கொள்ளலாம். ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி, தாங்களே ஸ்ரீ பூமி மாதா. இந்த கலியுகத்தின் அதீத விஞ்ஞான வளர்ச்சியால் இந்த பூமியை நாங்கள் மாசுபடுத்தியதால், இயற்கையின் வளங்களையும் பாழ்படுத்தியதால், எங்களை மனமார்ந்த எங்களை மன்னித்து விடுங்கள் அன்னையே. ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி, தயவு செய்து இந்த பூமி தத்துவத்தின் மூலமாக எங்களுக்குள் இருக்கும் எல்லா உபாதைகள் மற்றும் எல்லா ஆன்மீக வளர்ச்சிக்கு இருக்கும் எல்லா தடைகளை நீக்கிவிட்டு, நாங்கள் தங்களுடைய தூய கருவிகளாக இருப்பதற்கு எங்களுக்கு அருள் புரியுங்கள் தாயே. श्री आदिभूमि माता साक्षात् ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री आदिभूमि माता साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः. அதுவாக இடது நாடியை நாம் தூய்மைப்படுத்துவோம். இடது கையை மடியின் மீது, வலது கையை பூமியின் மீது வைத்துக் கொள்ளலாம். ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி, எங்களுக்குள் இருக்கும் தூய்மையற்ற ஆசைகளையும் தேவையற்ற கடந்த கால சிந்தனைகளிலிருந்தும் எங்களை முழுவதுமாக நீக்கிவிடுங்கள். ஸ்ரீ மகாகாளி மற்றும் ஸ்ரீ பைரவரின் முழு அருளும் எங்களுக்கு கிடைக்க செய்யுங்கள் தாயே. கவனத்தை வலது நாடிக்கு கொண்டு செல்வோம். வலது கையை மடியின் மீது, இடது கையை ஆகாயத்தை நோக்கி வைத்துக் கொள்ளலாம். ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி, எங்களது வலது நாடியை தூய்மைப்படுத்துங்கள். எங்களுக்குள் இருக்கும் தூய்மையற்ற செயல்களையும் தேவையற்ற எதிர்கால எண்ணங்களை முழுவதுமாக நீக்கிவிடுங்கள். ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி, தயவு செய்து எங்கள் வலது நாடியில் ஸ்ரீ மகா சரஸ்வதி மற்றும் ஸ்ரீ ஹனுமாரின் முழு அருளும் எங்களுக்கு அருள் செய்யுங்கள் தாயே. கவனத்தை மெதுவாக மைய நாடியான சுழுமுனை நாடிக்கு கொண்டு வருவோம். ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி, நாங்கள் சமநிலையில் இருப்பதற்கு எங்களுக்கு அருள் புரியுங்கள். எங்கள் கவனத்தை மேம்படுத்துங்கள் தாயே. ஸ்ரீ மகாலட்சுமி மற்றும் ஸ்ரீ கணேசரின் முழு அருளும் எங்களுக்கு கிடைக்க செய்யுங்கள் அன்னையே. ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி, எங்கள் எல்லா சக்கரங்கள் தூய்மை பெறவும், எங்களுக்குள் இருக்கும் குண்டலினி தாய் சக்தி எங்கள் எல்லா சக்கரங்களையும் மேலோங்கி சென்று எங்களுக்கு தங்களுடைய இணைப்பில் இருப்பதற்கு அருள் புரியுங்கள் தாயே. ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி, நாங்கள் எதுவும் செய்வதில்லை, எல்லாவற்றையும் தாங்களே செய்கின்றீர்கள். அதை அனுபவித்து மகிழ்பவரும் தாங்களே. இன்றைய தியானத்தில் எங்களுக்கு தங்களுடைய தெய்வீக அன்பினை உணர செய்யுங்கள். தங்களுடைய தெய்வீக நுண் அதிர்வுகளையும் உணர செய்யுங்கள். ஆத்மாவின் ஆனந்தத்தையும் உணர செய்யுங்கள். கவனத்தை மூலாதார சக்கரத்தில் வைத்துக் கொள்வோம். ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி, ஸ்ரீ கணேசரின் முழு அருளும் கள்ளம் கபடமற்ற குணத்தையும் பணிவோடு இருப்பதற்கும் எங்களுக்கு அருள் புரியுங்கள். ஸ்ரீ கார்த்திகேயன் அருளால் எங்களுக்குள் இருக்கும் எல்லா ராட்சச குணங்களை முழுவதும் அழித்து விடுங்கள் தாயே. மூலாதார சக்கரத்தில் நாம் ஓம் பூ என்ற மந்திரத்தை எடுத்துக்கொள்வோம். ஓம் त्वमेव சாக்ஷாத் ஸ்ரீ ஓம் பூ சாக்ஷாத் ஸ்ரீ ஆதிசக்தி மாதாஜி ஸ்ரீ நிர்மலா தேவியை நமோ நமः. ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி, நான் இந்த முழு மனித இனத்தையும் நேசிக்கிறேன். I love the whole humanity. கவனத்தை சுவாதிஷ்டான சக்கரத்தில் வைத்துக் கொள்வோம். ஓம் புவா என்ற மந்திரத்தை எடுத்துக்கொள்வோம். ஓம் त्वमेव சாக்ஷாத் ஸ்ரீ ஓம் புவா சாக்ஷாத் ஸ்ரீ ஆதிசக்தி மாதாஜி ஸ்ரீ நிர்மலா தேவியை நமோ நமः. ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி, I love the entire creation. ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி, நான் இந்த முழு படைப்பையும் விரும்புகின்றேன். இந்த பிரபஞ்சத்தின் முழு படைப்பையும் நான் விரும்புகின்றேன். கவனத்தை நமது நாபி சக்கரத்திற்கு கொண்டு வருவோம். ஓம் ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் த்வமேவ சாக்ஷாத் ஸ்ரீ ஓம் ஸ்வாஹா சாக்ஷாத் ஸ்ரீ ஆதிசக்தி மாதாஜி ஸ்ரீ நிர்மலா தேவி நமோ நமः. Shri Mataji, I love every individual and every entity. Shri Mataji, நான் ஒவ்வொருவரையும் ஒவ்வொரு பொருளையும் நேசிக்கின்றேன். நமக்குள் தூய அன்பினை நமது நாபி சக்கரத்திலிருந்து உணர வேண்டும். எல்லா படைப்பாற்றல் குணமும் நமது சுவாதிஷ்டான சக்கரத்திலிருந்து உணர வேண்டும். கவனத்தை மெதுவாக நமது அனஹாதா சக்கரத்திற்கு கொண்டு வருவோம். ஓம் மனா. ஓம் துவமேவ சாக்ஷாத் ஸ்ரீ ஓம் மனா சாக்ஷாத் ஸ்ரீ ஆதிசக்தி மாதாஜி ஸ்ரீ நிர்மலா தேவியை நமோ நமः. Shri Mataji, I love myself and self of all others. ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி, நான் என்னையும் நேசிக்கிறேன், மற்றவர்களையும் நேசிக்கின்றேன். எங்கள் இதயத்தில் தங்களுடைய தெய்வீக தூய அன்பினால் நான் என்னையும் நேசிக்கிறேன், மற்றவர்களையும் நேசிக்கின்றேன். கவனத்தை நாம் மெதுவாக விஷுத்தி சக்கரத்திற்கு கொண்டு வருவோம். ஓம் ஜனா. ஓம் த்வமேவ சாக்ஷாத் ஸ்ரீ ஓம் ஜனா சாக்ஷாத் ஸ்ரீ ஆதிசக்தி மாதாஜி ஸ்ரீ நிர்மலா தேவியை நமோ நமः. Shri Mataji, I am in total harmony with nature and Adi Shakti. ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி, நான் இந்த முழு இயற்கை உடனும் மற்றும் ஆதி சக்தியின் இணக்கத்திலும் இருக்கின்றேன். மெதுவாக கவனத்தை நெற்றி பகுதி ஆக்ஞா சக்கரம். ஓம் தப்பா. ஓம் த்வமேவ சாக்ஷாத் ஸ்ரீ ஓம் தபா சாக்ஷாத் ஸ்ரீ ஆதிசக்தி மாதாஜி ஸ்ரீ நிர்மலா தேவியை நமோ நமः. Shri Mataji, I face the world with strength, courage and confidence awakened in me as a spirit by Shri Mataji. Shri Mataji, தாங்களே ஆதிசக்தியாக எங்களுக்கு அருளியதால் எங்களுக்கு விழிப்புணர்வு பெற்ற நிலையில் இந்த பிரபஞ்சத்தின் முழு சக்தியையும் தைரியமும் மற்றும் தன்னம்பிக்கையோடும் நான் எதிர்கொள்கின்றேன். கவனத்தை மெதுவாக சஹஸ்ரார சக்கரத்திற்கு கொண்டு வருவோம். ஓம் சத்யா. ஓம் त्वमेव சாக்ஷாத் ஸ்ரீ ஓம் சத்யா சாக்ஷாத் ஸ்ரீ ஆதிசக்தி மாதாஜி ஸ்ரீ நிர்மலா தேவ்யை நமோ நமஹ. Shri Mataji, I am the expression of the mother and reflection of the father. Shri Mataji, நான் ஆதிசக்தியின் பிரதிபலிப்பாகவும் ஆதிசக்தியின் முழு வெளிப்பாடாகவும் சதா சிவனின் பிரதிபலிப்பாகவும் இருக்கின்றேன். ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி, எங்கள் சாஸ்திரார சக்கரத்தில் தாங்களே எங்களுக்கு யோகதாயினியாக அருள் புரிய வேண்டும். எங்கள் சாஸ்திரார சக்கரம் முழுவதுமாக மலர்ந்து தங்களுடைய தெய்வீக அன்பினை உணர செய்யுங்கள். சஹஜயோகாவின் முழு குணமும் நமக்கு தூய அன்பு. நாம் அந்த அன்பினை எல்லோரிடமும் தர வேண்டும். ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி, எங்களுக்குள் எந்த அகங்காரமும் மமகாரமும் இல்லாமல் மிகவும் பணிவோடு இருப்பதற்கு எங்களுக்கு அருள் புரியுங்கள். ஆத்மாதான் என்றென்றும் நிலையானது. இந்த உண்மையை நாங்கள் எப்போதும் உணர வேண்டும். எங்களுக்கு ஆத்மாவின் ஆனந்தத்தையும் தந்தருளுங்கள் தாயே. சச்சித் ஆனந்த ரூபிணியாக எங்களுக்கு அருள் புரியுங்கள் தாயே. கவனம் முழுவதும் நமது சஹஸ்ரார சக்கரத்திலே வைத்துக்கொண்டு நாம் சிறிது நேரம் தியானத்தில் இருப்போம். நாம் தொடர்ந்து இதே தியான நிலையில் ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜியின் சொற்பொழிவை கேட்போம்.
You have to know that you all have been seekers before. This is not the first time you have been seeking. So already you have reached a certain state where you feel and you are aware that something more has to happen to you. You are already ready for that. Some of you have really taken birth in this time just for this. So because I do not want to talk of your past is over now. We have to think of the present. One has to know that all of you get realization. Some people have certain problems on their different centers, as I told you. Different type of problems people have. Because of these problems, the Kundalini goes back to its attention, because Kundalini has to look after your problems. She's your mother. So she goes there, attends to that problem, and again she rises. But only thing you have to learn how to make her rise, how to cooperate with her, how to understand your own problem and give additional help to solve the problem. Now you will be amazed that you just get rid of your false identifications with yourself. You become absolutely detached from that, because you start talking in the language of chakras and centers. You start saying that this center is bad, that center is bad, this is not all right, mother, that's wrong with me, that is wrong with me. That's all. You don't say I'm cancer, you don't say I'm mad, you don't say I'm egoistical. You just say, mother, this center is not all right, that center is not all right. Depending on the quality of your centers, the chakras, as they are the ones who really are the channels for the energy of God to flow in. Regarding them, you have to be careful. How your chakras are. Are you clean or not? Some of you will find cool breeze flowing all right in the hand. But maybe one chakra is catching. On one chakra you will feel the heat, or you may feel the numbness. You might feel also a kind of a you can say a kind of a tingling on certain fingers. Now wherever there is tingling, you must know there is a kind of a struggle going on between those chakras and the Kundalini. So you should just try to help your chakras to awaken them. And also must know that every one of you are part and parcel of the whole. You are awakened. You are awakened to that part. And so you have to be more careful. Because if you suffer from some chakra, I can feel it. But if others, those who are not realized, I don't feel it at all. I'm not bothered. There can be any number of devils or anything, doesn't matter to me. But if you people who are realized souls have a slight problem, immediately I know that you have this problem, my attention is diverted to that. So you must understand that the attention is all the time there to look after you, to give you a better guidance. Your spirit is all the time working. But you must learn how to take the guidance from your spirit. That's the main point. So nobody is lower or higher, as he said. I've seen some people who were declared as drunkards, this, that, overnight they're finished. They are perfect people. Not only, but very good surgeons. So, you see, all these clouds have come on the sky of your being in this lifetime, doesn't matter. Makes no difference. But your past is great. That shows it. So you don't have to worry as to how far aware you are. There's no degree or anything to measure it. You must be all aware already, otherwise you would not come to me, first of all. And to get realization itself is a very big thing. Now there is a very good seeker I know of who came to me, and he got his realization, but he did not feel it on his hand. Because he has a very bad Vishuddhi here. And with a bad Vishuddhi chakra, you may not feel it in your hand, doesn't matter. But you'll feel peaceful, you'll feel joyful, and you can feel it on your top of your head, or others can feel it. Gradually your fingers will start improving and they will give you better results. For example, people who do hard work with their hands, also their fingers can be numbed. So we have to use certain methods like looking after our hands. This body now is a temple of God. So we have to look after it in a way respectfully. Not for the way the prostitutes, when they want to sell their body, they look after their body. No, but respect, with respect to our body. We have to look after ourselves in a way that we should keep good health. And to keep good health in Sahaja Yoga, there are 1001 things which you have to know, which is very easy to understand and which will be told to you for no price at all, nothing. It is the divine that is anxious, that you should get it, that you should settle down, that you should enjoy it. So you don't have to be so anxious about it. These anxieties must be given up. Just try to understand your centers. Now many of you did feel the cool breeze, but maybe after some time you may lose it, doesn't matter. You'll go up and down like that, doesn't matter. It does not mean that you have lost it, not at all. Now supposing you try a method, a simple method, that you first put your left hand towards my photograph. Just now you can try. And right hand on the Mother Earth. Let's see. Right hand on the Mother Earth. That's why I wanted to have it in the open, but doesn't matter now. If rain is good for you, for the farmers, let's have it. So now put your left hand like this, and right hand, those who are not sitting can put up like that. Like this. Back. Yes. Right hand like this. Right. Not left, right hand. Fine.
On the ground. No, like this.
Backwards, yes, right hand. Now what we are doing, the left hand side power is the emotional power. Now if you have an emotional problem, say somebody has been taking drugs, is a left-sided person. Some drugs are LSD and all that right-sided, but most of the drugs take you to the left side. Gurus are left-sided problems. Most of these problems or mental problems are left-sided problems. But the problem of the intellectuals is right-sided. Futuristic people is right-sided. People who are running the rat race are right-sided. See, that kind of overactivity, that kind of thing. On the contrary, those who have taken to drugs are left-sided. So first try with the left. Let's see. Now put your right hand on the Mother Earth. Put your right hand on the Mother Earth. Now put your left hand towards me. Gradually you will find it will start flowing in your left hand. Is it flowing? Put your right hand on the Mother Earth. Because the Mother Earth takes away. You see, you are just earthing it. Put it on it. Touch it, huh? Touch it. You see, you are earthing yourself. It's a very simple thing. Now, left-sided problems easily go to Mother Earth. It's true, but the best is to have a light. Now, say if you have a candle. Candle is the best. For left-sided problems, candle is the best thing to take it. Because left-sided problem we can say are cold problems or problems which arise from coldness. See, a person who becomes inactive. Now see, you just put your left hand towards me like this and right hand towards a candle. You'll be amazed, sometimes the candle starts burning up like that, and sometimes it creates such black smoke that if it is next to a wall, you might find the whole wall becoming black. It's very interesting to see how the candle reacts. But you must have a photograph in front, and there should be a candle before the photograph and one candle like this to take it out. Like that. Now see better? All right. You'll feel it's going down. You'll feel from your head, you'll feel, you see the pressure is going down. Better now? Like this. Put the hand like that. Like at back side. Not towards me like that. Yes. Yes. Now. No, put left hand. If you are sitting on the ground, it's better to put towards me. Left hand. It's coming. It's going. It's working. It's like the energy, you see, that is coming through the photograph is pushing it down towards the light, and the light burns it off. Light gets awakened by you. It's surprising, but it does. It's better now. See? We work out. You will feel it. You will feel yourself. There is nothing to certify. You will feel yourself. Put your left hand towards me. Left hand towards me like this. Yes. You all will feel it yourself. Now people who have been to gurus, who have sort of schizophrenic attitude, who are moody people, frantic, fits they get, all sorts of these, to extreme to the least, you see, who are emotional, some women who cry too much, hysterics, all those things can be controlled by this simple method of putting left hand towards the photograph and right hand towards a candle. See, it's working out. You will feel the movement. In your head you will feel it. Feeling it now. No?
So it's not there.
Now, with the right hand now. Those who are running the rat race. You see, big people who think they must earn money, or they are running in the politics and all that kind of another madness they have. You see, that's also a kind of a madness, you see. So, for such people who are having a high blood pressure because of that, they will have diabetes, they will have liver troubles. Now, even for any organ, you see, any organ you take, say heart, in Sahaja Yoga, we have for every organ two types of nature. One is the one that is lethargic and another that is overactive. So supposing you are an overactive person, then if you are an overactive person, you are studying very hard or thinking about the future, planning something, then you have a heart which is overactive. Or you have an intestine which is overactive, your liver is overactive, the whole system is overactive, you will have high blood pressures and all the problems of high blood pressure, constipation, all these things go hand in hand in one personality. The another personality could be a lethargic. A person who has a lethargic heart may have to get a bypass or something like that because the heart doesn't pump. You may have a lethargic intestine, such a person might, whatever he eats, he just goes to the bathroom sort of a thing. Or maybe a lethargic liver, when you have a lethargic liver, then you might get allergies. Allergies are caused by lethargic liver. But if you are an overactive person, if you are overactive, then the same liver which was giving you these allergies will give you a nausea, a feeling of sickness, migraine and vomiting and biliousness. So there are two types of livers also. We have two types of kidneys, two types of everything is two types. So if you are a lethargic person, if you have lethargic problem, then what you have to do is to use the light. For all the lethargic troubles, best is the light, to use the light for lethargic troubles. This is left side. And for the right-sidedness, you can use the Mother Earth. Mother Earth is the best, or water and salt. So water and salt is very good for people who are suffering from overactivity. Now how do you do it? It's good for both, but especially for them. Like you have to put both the hands first towards the photograph, put both the feet in the water with little salt. Now, if you are feeling the vibrations coming in both the hands equally the same, it's all right. You don't have to worry. But supposing one hand is more and one hand is less, the hand that is less has to go before the photograph, always. The hand that is less has to go towards the photograph and another one has to go out. And you'll be amazed the movement of the thing you will feel within yourself. These balloons will be moving like that. And you can feel it, that something moving in your head, you are getting relaxed. And gradually you will become a master. You will know how to handle this body. Absolutely will become a master. And when you become master, people have become masters in 8 days. In 8 days. Once you become a master, then you can handle other bodies also and help other people. It's as simple as that. So forget about the past. Now the present. We have to be in the present. Is there any other question now?
I'd like to ask a question about mantras.
Mantras, yes. Now we have got different centers, and all these centers have got different deities. As I told you, Lord Jesus Christ is here, Moses is here, Krishna is here. We have a chart of that. But we have books which will give it to you. Now we have to make, you see,
Excuse me.
yes, this is the chart. You see, it's beautifully done. This one is very clever. Now, on different chakras, we have different deities. Come forward. You come forward and see. All right? All right. Just let him see. You can pass it on. You can.
Maybe there's another chart.
Another
Do we
chart.
have
All
any
right.
more?
We have books. You see, why not give them books?
The books are with them, Mother. They could have the other book.
You open the books. You have got the chart in the books. Can you see?
Anyway. He's getting
Now,
another
gradually,
chart here,
you
I
see,
think. He's bringing one up.
We are trying to get a bigger place for you, and we should really meet in a hall again. When are you going to have
On Wednesday night, they're going to meet.
Yes.
They can meet here at first until we get a
Yes,
hall.
if you want, Wednesday night. You see, may not be able to get, but you can meet here. You can always come and find out. Now, what is it? There are books. Now, I'll show you. These are small books just meant for the beginner. See? Now here, this is all given in short. Now this is the chart you have to follow. You can pass it on to people.
If you didn't get one, just take another one now and you can follow it through. Pass some outside through the window, please.
Give this to the gentleman also you wanted. You've got.
I got it here.
Oh, I see. You also take. Now, so the mantras are according to the chakra that is in problem. Supposing your Nabi chakra is not all right? And if you start saying the mantra of this one is no use, so you must know what center is catching from your fingers. Now you can make out here in this chart, if you see on this side, we have got written the numbers according to the centers on this side. If you see clearly, now these are the numbers of the centers, all right? So then, and also here it is written in this chart, what are the different deities. Now, all these deities should be first understood, where are they? And when you have to say the mantras, what you have to do is to coin it into a proper Sahaja Yoga mantra. Have you given that?
It's not in these books, Mother.
But they will tell you. The pattern has to be like this, which says whatever is the thing is woven into the complete. I mean, you are to be recommended, isn't it? Somebody has to say. So you have to say that I am the one who has given you this knowledge. So just you have to use that particular thing which they will give you the pattern, which is very simple. And you have to use these names of these deities, different deities accordingly. And gradually you will be amazed that it will work out. But when you come here, they will tell you it's very simple. It's very simple. But you must know where the chakras are. First of all, you must become sensitive. So I would suggest that you must start using olive oil for your fingers and for your toes. See, rub it nicely, make your fingers sensitive. Because of various things, our hands have become gross. See, to feel it better, use some nice olive oil, massage it nicely, and sometimes if you wear the gloves in the night, they can soften it also. You must soften. Soft hands are better. And the nail should not be very long, not very badly cut sort of thing, you see, and they are to be properly done. So that when you use on others, they should not feel hurt with your nail. But for yourself also, you should not have very right hand especially, because you will have to use it like this here. Say you have a Vishuddhi chakra. Then you will have to use your Nabi chakra like that. So what actually is the matter with you is to be first realized. So first you have to understand yourself. What is your problem? What you are suffering from? And then how to correct. If you could find out how to correct it and what is your problem, then it is the easiest thing is to coin a mantra to improve yourself. Alright? It's very simple. Now you have met me only a day back, I should say. But you will be amazed the knowledge that you will have now about yourself will be tremendous. So first is self-realization, means you know yourself. Once you know yourself, you start knowing others, because we are all collectively conscious. Those who are realized souls become aware of others. So first of all, if you want to see your own vibrations, you have to put yourself into bandhan like this. As I told you, like this. Now let's do it. Put your left hand towards me.
Like this towards Mataji, Sri Mataji.
Yeah.
And your other hand goes over the outside. And you go over once, back over the top twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, and 7. And just check your vibration.
Now, these are your vibrations. Whatever you feel. Now check. See now, which finger is burning. See, carefully. That's. Now this is left navi. Now which one is burning? Be careful. Pay attention. Which one? Which one? Yeah? Yes, maybe he is constipated, is he? Does he get constipation?
He's been feeling a long one.
Yes. He's a liver. That's a liver. Sign of liver. You see? And also constipated. So he is more a right-sided person, because the right side is this thing. So he has to put left to the right, like this. Alright?
I'm just warm and sticky. What would that be?
You have a heart.
That's all I.
You put your right hand on your heart.
And these 3 are slightly warm.
Well, alright, doesn't matter. And the other one? Nothing. Alright, so put your left to the right. Left to the right.
You take it, when she says left to the right, what you're doing is not just this one, but you're actually lifting the left side
And taking
lowering
the grace
right
from
side.
the right.
And you come across, you lift the left side again, because you're balancing. You're taking
And
from-
taking the grace, you see, on the right side, because right side is showing nothing. If the right side is showing nothing, then what you are doing, you are lifting your left, which is slightly showing, and you take up and bring it down with your right hand, left to the right.
If you've got problems on the right side, if you've got problems in your right fingers, any of them, or your hand, you take from the left side and over the top, and you bring down the grace into the right side. Okay, then it's the opposite. That's as simple as that.
No, she's not. If you are not feeling at all on right hand, then you have right hand problem. You are not feeling any vibrations, huh? And left hand you are feeling what?
Slightly warm.
Slightly warm on the left side, she's feeling.
These combinations are.
So she has to go from
Right.
right to left, right to left.
Does it change hands?
Just do it yourselves now and get it into balance. That's the object of what Sri Mataji is saying.
Do you change hands?
Yes, you can. You change hands. Better.
Just to repeat it again, if you've got abnormal sensation, heat or something in your right hand, that means that there's some damage on that side. So you lift the left side and you bring down the grace into the right side. Just do that if you've got that problem.
Right to the left. You take your right hand and put it like that.
If you've got it in the other direction, you change hands, as she said, and you go the other way. It's as simple as that, until it balances, until it works out. Keep doing it until it works out.
Did you come to my program before? No, that's why. Just it has started. You see, you have to get your realization first of all, all right? You come here. We'll have to work it out. First of all, on your realization has not worked out. That's why. It's just started. Let it work out. If the realization works out, then only you can feel it properly. That's why. Right side not at all. I was wondering are you feeling? Good. Left hand, what are you feeling? Cool breeze. In the left hand and not on the right. Alright. So what you do is to take left to the right. No, with the right hand. Gradually, when you will practice, you will know. Better now? Good? Good. He's all right. Are you all right? How are you feeling? Yes?
Left hand. She's asking, do you get heat on the left side or the left hand?
You can get it on the left side, left hand or left side anywhere. Where are you getting?
No, you get heat on either side. She says she's getting it in the right hand.
Yes,
That's
you can
what
get
I'm
it on both the sides. Are you getting on right? Then you put your left to the right. No. Left hand towards me and right hand like this.
Cheryl, can you go and cross?
No, like this. Just don't raise it and bring it down like this. Don't go back.
Down.
Better.
And again and down. And again and down. Again and down. Now try.
This what? Yes, correct.
Better?
On the right hand?
Right.
Left to
You've
the
done
right.
it. It's
Left
as
to the
simple
right.
as that.
No. Left. Left to the right.
So anyone that still doesn't understand.
I feel a bit butt pains now.
Good,
What,
good.
cool?
Both the hands cool?
No, there's sort of tingling.
In which hand?
Right to left.
And left.
The left hand to mother. And you go from
No,
right.
look at me. Left hand to me, like this. And now right hand you pick it up from here. You push it down.
And go there. Keep doing it until it disappears.
He is all right. You're all right. He's all right. What about you? Feeling cool breeze in both the hands?
Just keep your attention steady.
My hands feel more balanced. Feel more balanced now.
No, balance. Yes, you start feeling the balance.
Any other
That's the
problem?
best way.
I feel very hot on my face.
Yeah, we should be that way. Doesn't matter. You put your left hand at the back of your chakra here. in the
Anyone
center.
who's getting heat here, listen to what mother says. If
Now
you're
put
getting
your
heat
right
around
hand towards
here,
me, right hand. What about you? Are you feeling nothing? You never felt any cool breeze? Surprising. You come from which state? Huh?
UP.
यूपी कहाँ के रहने वाले आप? हाँ? अलीगढ़ के? कौन से भगवान को मानते हैं? विष्णु जी। आप दोनों हाथ मेरे और करके एक हाथ लेफ्ट हैंड पेट पे रखें और पूछिए माँ क्या आप ही साक्षात विष्णु हैं क्या? ऐसा पूछिए। फिर से पूछिए। 10 बार पूछो।
Yes. This hand? I can't see, it's behind his head.
आ रहा है? अंदर से आ रही? जरा ऊपर करी, जरा ऊपर
It's the liver and
पीछे
it's
से।
the, it's
कोई
the
आपके
clear
गुरु
one.
रहे होंगे?
It's a clear one, it's the
नहीं?
liver.
पूछिए।
These two relate to the liver.
पूछने से मिल जाए।
So you
थोड़ा सा शुरू हुआ होगा।
put
देखिए।
your hand on the liver, left hand, and your right hand to mother.
Just see, is there a cool breeze coming on his head? वो देख रहे हैं। आप हाथ ऐसे रखें। आपका शुभ नाम? हाँ? सुनाई नहीं दिया।
महेश
और सरनेम क्या?
वार्षणी
वासनी। हाँ, आप देखिए। आ रहा है कुछ?
Anyone else got a problem?
हाँ जी कौन? शुरू हो गई। शुरू हो गई।
Just keep doing it until it comes into balance, because you have to get that balance, otherwise the Kundalini will go down to that chakra where it's blocking.
चल रहा, चलने दीजिए। आपको पेट की शिकायत है?
Still tingling.
ऐसे कोई शिकायत नहीं?
go from right to left.
पेट में रुकी है
Keep
कुंडलिनी
your left hand.
पर थोड़ा शुरू हो गया आपको महसूस हो रहा है थोड़ा
Then you go from the right side to the left. You're lifting it up and you're putting it down. Lifting it up.
He's not feeling it on the Vishuddhi. Smoking करते हैं क्या?
Keep going over your head.
You know, ask some gentleman to give vibrations on his Vishuddhi. Put a hand on his Vishuddhi.
Then just let it flow down. Just let it flow down. Let's keep going. Just a minute. Just let it flow down.
Are you all right?
I'm getting a pump in the face.
Left side. All right. Put right. You are feeling hot too?
No, the atmosphere is calm.
It's not. All right, doesn't matter.
When you balance yourself,
How are you feeling now?
how long does that take effect for?
Split of a second.
What take
How long
effect?
will it last if you balance yourself?
How long will the balancing last you?
There is no timing for it. It can last you forever, but if you are a very wobbly type, it will little drop out. But you have to know how to do it, you see. Now we can say we are driving a car. Now how long will it last there? As long as you keep it. We are driving this car, all right?
Keep doing this.
Yes, now what is it? Are you feeling the balance now?
Oh, yeah.
Good, then it's all.
When it becomes imbalanced, that's when you correct it.
So, just through the day, you just have a few.
No. Now if you are in balance, there's nothing, if there is nothing wrong, better go, it's all right. Perfectly all right.
Hmm? Could you speak up? Can you get it if you haven't had realization? You mean the balancing?
Have you got your realization? That is the first. That's the first thing. Otherwise you have not entered into the kingdom of God, isn't it? First thing is to have your realization. And then, now, put your hand towards me. Yes.
Everybody should do that, because the more you put your hands to Mother, the stronger the vibrations will flow. Take this chance, because it has to develop. Don't just sit. It might be a little uncomfortable, but just keep your hands to Mother.
You got the cool breeze in the hand, are you feeling? Start. Close your eyes. What about you? No,
The ones that haven't had their realization, put their hands up, please. Who has not had realization?
you come forward.
Then
I
you
think
should all be
best.
down here.
And the rest of the people, the Sahaja Yogis can see. Come along.
Can those people come forward, please? The others just at the front, could you move right?
Now these people can be taught by Sahaja Yogis how to give realization. You are all right, three of you.
Can you move?
Go ahead.
Can you move? Let these others come in. All of the ones that have got it, please move back.
And the Sahaja Yogis can meet them and talk to them. Sit down, sit down.
Excuse me. Would the Sahaja Yogis inside please come out and take the people? Just switch the fan.
Just like this, put your hands. Little lower. Warren, little lower. Warren, little lower. Sorry. Little higher. Heart. Are you feeling? Now do like your eyes. Do little bit. Just press them. Press your eyes hard. Very hard. Thrice. Hard. Press them hard. Thrice. Alright? Not yet. Not yet. Work out. So that will now be. It will work out. Watch me. Watch me here. Ask this gentleman. You watch me.
Anybody not watching, please just watch Mother's this posture. She's working it out for you, so watch. Just relax them. Relax them.
Okay, you got it? No?
by one as you feel it, let them through.
No? So, what is that? You can go from this side, yes. Let them move from this side, yes. You go and tell them.
No, you can't. You have to get through this.
Stay here. Let's see on the right.
That's why I said go that way.
Look, let's see.
No. Yes, there is.
Spot it.
Yes, it's there. It's there. Yes, it's there.
மெதுவாக நாம் அன்னையிடம் பிரார்த்தனை செய்வோம். ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி, இன்றைய நாளில் தாங்களே எங்களுக்கு ஸ்ரீ சரஸ்வதியாக நாங்கள் எப்பொழுதும் சமநிலையில் இருப்பதற்கு மற்றும் தங்களின் நிர்மல் வித்யாவினை அறியும் சக்தியை எங்களுக்கு தந்தருளுங்கள். ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி, இன்றைய நாளில் எல்லா மங்களங்களும் எங்களுக்கு தந்தருளுங்கள். நாங்கள் எல்லோரும் தூய அறிவோடு இருப்பதற்கும் எங்கள் தூய கவனத்தால் நாங்கள் தூய சமநிலையில் தூய எண்ணங்களோடு இருப்பதற்கும் தங்களுடைய தெய்வீக தூய அன்பினை எல்லோரிடமும் நாங்கள் பகிர்ந்து கொள்வதற்கும் எங்களுக்கு அருள் புரியுங்கள் தாயே. ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி, இன்றைய தியானம் எங்களுக்கு தந்ததற்கு எங்களது கோடான கோடி நன்றிகள் அன்னையே. ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி அவர்களை நாம் வணங்கிவிட்டு குண்டலினி உயர்த்தி பந்தன் போட்டுக்கொள்வோம். எல்லோருக்கும் ஜெய் ஸ்ரீ மாதாஜி.
जय श्री माता जी।